Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we'll see how you can extract instrumentals as well as vocals from your favorite songs, uh, either through code or using some online services. First we'll see how you can do it through code. We'll be using audio-separator Python package for doing it. It does utilize UVR, so it's a universal vocal I think remover. I'll share this document. You can refer this. They have uh, they have documented each and every models which you can use for different purposes and with your machine's configuration. So let's quickly dive into the code and we'll see what all are there. So first thing is I'm using Python 3.10.16. So according to that, I have updated the requirements as well. So first thing is you need to have FFmpeg and audio separator. Once make sure that you have installed all these inside one of your some virtual environments, and I have written one helper function just to extract wave files from video inputs. Okay, for this I'll be using this song, so I'll just play maybe. Yes. दिल जला के मुस्कुराने की जो आदत. So this song will be using for our vocals removal as well as extracting instrumentals from this song. So it's very simple. It's a small function. Once you have the separator imported from audio separator, the thing we need to make sure that we initialize the separator with the given output path as well as we load a model. Okay, so for this case I'll be using UVR MDXnet karaoke 2. This suits my machine configuration and I can run it easily, that's why I'm using it. You might want to use some better models which can give better outputs. Okay, so this is just for example. It's not going to be perfect, but somewhat it will extract the both vocals and instrumentals from your song. Once you have loaded the model, you just need to call this simple function, which is separator from. You just need to separate and give the audio input path. Once you have that right, it will save it inside the given separator file. So let's quickly run this. I have specified the input path as well as where I want to save these these outputs and the model name I'm going to use. So let's do it. Maybe yes. It will take some time for you to maybe load, and I have already loaded the model, so it didn't take much time to download, and it's done. So let's just hear. So let's first see how the instrumental worked. Okay. So you see this, it properly extracted instrumental from your song, and let's hear the vocals. दिल जला के मुस्कुराने. So you see in the start there is still some instrumental thing you can hear. That's because the model we use, right, it's very small, and that's too much for it. So either like if I'm facing some issues with the machine, right, what I can do is I can again take this file. Okay, I'll give it to the vocal remover. Okay, I'll run it again, and most likely I will get some reduced overlaps between vocals and instrumentals. Okay, so looks like this one. There is still a bit. there's still a bit of instrumental music in the start, but it's very less. I can keep doing it till I get the best output, but but better would be using a better model for it. Uh, yeah. Also, there are few helpers you can use. Like if you want to see like all the supported models, right? You can just run this command, audio-separator and list model, and it will output all the models which are supported by the current UVR. So all of them are using UVR as their backbone. So you see, I'm using this model for karaoke too. You can use others based on your machine configuration. So yeah, that's how you can do it. I'll upload it in my one of my uh, GitHub repositories and share it in the description. And let's see like if we can do it through some online available services, maybe free. So I'll share this docs link as well. So it's constantly updated, and a lot of weights are being shared, checkpoints and all, and you can go over it, see what suits your purpose, and use those models accordingly. So there are few. This is one is vocal remover. So I uploaded the exact same video, and let's see how it is. Nice. You see, the music is really really good. Okay, so I'll just maybe increase this thing, reduce the music. Let's see if there are any overlaps.
दिल जला के मुस्कुराने की जो आदत हुई है मुझे.
This is really good. So they properly removed all the music and just a vocal. How beautiful voice Arijit has. Loved it. So other services like this ultimate vocal remover, that's from UVR itself. It's a desktop app. You can download it and then specify some models and use it. But I really love this vocal remover. It's really good. So I hope you found this useful, and maybe use it for uh, your personal vocal removal cases, or maybe for your commercial use cases. Thanks.